Hi, I'm Stacy Maor, and I want to share my learnings and experiences with you through this upcoming video series. And the first part of the series is today, which is understanding how to get started, because that's really the hardest part. How to even begin? Where do I begin? I want to play an instrument. I don't know what to do. So the first thing you have to do is make a commitment to do something. So you have to decide, do you want to buy an instrument? Do you want to just go to a class and explore a few instruments? What is your next step on your journey? And if you can make that commitment, then we'll be able to get to the next step, which is getting accountability. So if you can establish what you want to do, I will take a class, I will buy an instrument, I will borrow an instrument, whatever you need to do, then we can move on to accountability. And the accountability piece is where you pull others into your journey and have them help you stay on track and keep going and support you. And that's really what you're looking for. And so the next thing here is who is that person going to be? Is it a family member? Is it a friend? For me, on my journey, I have a daughter that's 19 now, and last year I borrowed her ukulele. She was the one that it was further on her musical journey than me, and she's also a singer. So I had instantly a support person. But you can find other people out there that are interested in music, or maybe they played an instrument at a different time, and you can use them as your support. But I really highly recommend getting someone to support you. Think of it in terms of someone who has their gym buddy who they're working with or meeting up with every week to go do their workout. It keeps you accountable. You have to show up. You don't want to let your friend down or your buddy down, and it keeps you on track to keep working out. And so music is almost something similar. It's nice to have others that are doing similar things and be able to have those conversations with each other about what you're learning. And each person's journey is going to be different. So for me, I kind of launched right into songwriting while others are, delving into music theory. And there's so many spaces in between all of that that you can pick up another instrument if you want. It's whatever feels good to you and brings you joy, because that's really what we're looking for here, is that you have fun with this journey. So the third thing that you'll need to do is let go of any preconceived notions you have about anything musical. You're going to have so many experiences, good, bad, challenging at times, but in the end, it should be fun. And learning an instrument, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. That's just how the process goes. If you decide to do singing, that's another whole journey in itself. It's like learning another instrument. And so, in the end, here, what I want to have you walk away with is that you want to join me on my journey as we continue on these different videos where I talk about different aspects of the journey that I've been on and ones that I'm on now. So thanks for the time. I hope you subscribe to my channel and watch the rest of my videos. Thanks.